Ready to lose weight, increase your energy, and regain the feeling of good health? So what's stopping you? Did you know that you can have major health problems, including relentless weight gain and serious difficulty losing and maintaining weight loss, if your body is burdened with toxic overload and being robbed of essential nutrients? All too often, this leads to a vicious cycle of persistent feelings of hunger, unrelenting cravings, poor food choices, and chronic overeating of high-calorie, high-fat, but low-nutritious foods and beverages, which in turn saps you of your energy and willpower to eat healthy and exercise. EPX Body Detox is a natural weight loss tea that can help you safely and rapidly shed excess pounds and improve your overall health, and is much more effective than Chinese green tea. For more than 20 years and backed by research and clinical use, tens of thousands of people around the world have been able to regain control of their lives thanks to this special herbal tea blend. Just drinking 8 ounces twice daily has been shown to lead to significant weight loss. Kickstart your weight loss with 100% organic, caffeine-free EPX Body Detox Herbal Tea and lose at least 5 pounds in 5 days. You too can look and feel your best. Get started today.